In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your HostGator account by logging into the customer portal and navigating through some essential sections. Learning your way around your hosting account can make things much easier. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your HostGator customer portal. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the HostGator website. Once it's loaded, look for the login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the home page. Click it. You'll be prompted to enter your email or username associated with your HostGator account. Then, carefully type in your password and hit enter or click the login button on the page. Now that you're logged in, you'll be presented with the HostGator Customer Portal dashboard. This is your main hub for managing everything related to your hosting. From here, let's look for the billing or My Services option. You can usually find these options on the navigation menu at the top or on the left-hand side of the dashboard. The labels might differ slightly depending on the version of the portal you are using, but they generally contain the same information. When you click on Billing or My Services, you'll be taken to a new page that displays details about your account. This section is crucial for keeping track of your subscriptions, upcoming payments, and past invoices. It's a good habit to periodically check this section to ensure everything's up to date and that there are no unexpected charges. In this menu, you'll also see a list of all the services you have with HostGator. Each type of hosting, whether it's shared, VPS, dedicated, or cloud, will be listed here with specific details regarding each service. Now let's select your current hosting plan, browse through the list until you find your hosting package. Click on it to view more details. This section is a goldmine of information regarding your hosting. Here you can see essential information like your renewal date, any associated domain names, and plan specifications. You may also find options to upgrade your hosting plan should you decide your current plan no longer meets your needs. Navigating these sections not only gives you the confidence that your hosting is in good standing, but also allows you to address any potential issues proactively, such as renewal dates or billing mishaps. Remember, the key to managing your HostGator account effectively is familiarizing yourself with these basic navigation steps. Feel free to explore other functionalities your customer portal offers, but always be cautious when making changes, especially if you're not entirely sure of their impacts. I hope this guide has been helpful. With these steps, you can confidently keep track of your HostGator